Hey folks, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. Picture this, it's a chilly morning rush and instead of fumbling with a bulky coffee maker that takes forever, you hit one button and boom, rich espresso with perfect crema pours right into your mug, ready for milk froth in seconds. Sounds like morning magic, right? Well, today we're brewing up a storm with the Nespresso Vertuo Pop espresso machine and milk frother, and trust me, this compact duo could turn your caffeine routine into pure joy. If you're overcomplicated brews and craving barista quality shots at home, hang tight. By the end, you'll be itching to upgrade. And hey, snag it through the link in the description to support the channel without spending extra. Let's dive in. First, let's unpack the features that make this Nespresso setup a standout. This isn't just any espresso maker, it's the Vertuo Pop, super slim at about 8.6 inches wide and 10.4 tall, fitting like a charm on your counter or even a dorm desk. Made from 35% recycled plastic, it's got that eco-touch too. The water tank holds 25.4 ounces, removable from the side for easy refills, and it brews 5 sizes: espresso, double espresso, grand lungo, mug, and alto for that big coffee fix. What sets it apart is Nespresso's centrifusion tech. Pop in a Vertuo capsule, and it reads the barcode to spin and extract the perfect brew, delivering thick crema every time. Over 30 varieties mean endless flavors, from bold roasts to fruity notes, all fresh sealed for max aroma. Pair it with the included Aeroccino milk frother, and you're golden for lattes or cappuccinos. Just pour in milk, hit the button, and it whips up hot or cold foam in under a minute. No mess, no guesswork. The machine's one-touch operation is a dream. Insert capsule, press start, and done in 25 to 60 seconds. Adjustable drip tray flips up for taller mugs, and it's app-connected via Bluetooth for tips, reminders, and software updates to keep things smooth. Auto shut-off saves energy, and at 1,500 watts, it heats up fast. Cleaning? Rinse the used capsule holder, run a quick cycle, and the frother wipes clean, under 5 minutes total. This bundle even tosses in a sampler pack of capsules to kickstart your obsession. Now, onto the pros and cons, because Real Talk helps you decide if it's your brew buddy. Starting with the wins. The compact size is huge. Users squeeze it into tiny kitchens without a hitch, and that recycled build feels good for the planet. One-touch brewing nails consistent shots. Reviewers swear by the creamy espresso that rivals coffee shop stuff. No barista skills needed. The variety blows minds. Iced coffee to lattes, all from the same machine, and the frother's a star, making velvety foam that doesn't clump. Setup took me 10 minutes, app pairing was seamless, and it's whisper quiet, no grinding racket. Energy efficient too, with low waste from recyclable capsules. Families love the quick morning saves, and at around $180 bundled, it's a steal for daily use. Overall, it slashes brew time and elevates your coffee game effortlessly. On the downside, cons to note, it's capsule only. So if you prefer fresh grounds, this won't flex that way. Pods add up long term, though bulk buys help. The water tank's 25 ounces means refills twice a day for heavy drinkers, and while compact, the frother takes extra counter space. A few folks mentioned the app glitches on older phones, needing restarts, and it's not great for super large batches. Stick to singles. Capsules aren't cheap per shot, about 80 cents each, and the machine's plastic feel might not scream premium to some. Rare leaks reported if not cleaned right, but that's fixable with regular rinses. For purists wanting manual control, it feels too automated. So, do I recommend the Nespresso Vertuo Pop with frother? You bet, especially if you're a busy home barista who wants cafe vibes without the hassle and your household downs a few cups daily. The pros like foolproof brews and space-saving design crush the cons for most, turning rushed mornings into treats. It's ideal for apartments, offices, or anyone ditching drip pots. If that's you, hit the link in the description now to grab it on Amazon. Best prices and deals await. Quick shout out, loving these kitchen glow-ups. Subscribe and ring the bell for more must-try gadgets. And click that affiliate link. It fuels the fun at no cost to you. Finally, reminder, use the link below for the Nespresso Vertuo Pop at top pricing and our special promotional offer from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for joining, team. If this perked you up, share with your coffee crew or subscribe for more. Brew on.